Hi all and welcome. So I want to do a quick news flash now on what you will be receiving from us when you send us a video testimonial. So I'm going to go into where you can send the video testimonial in a moment, but as a sort of thank you for sending us a video testimonial, what we're going to do is we're going to run a marketing your site, a basic approach to build upon. So this is a very basic way, but it will give you a real good foundation to work on to actually get more and more prospects into your courses and buying. So we're going to be looking at lots and lots of things, even more than I've got written down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover it in the class. We're going to find your market and where they hang out. We're going to be finding the correct approach to marketing your course or your site or your blog. We're going to be looking at keywords that your prospects are using. So what people are using to find what they need in your niche area. So from that, we're going to be adding the SEO correctly to your site and courses and the importance of it. We're going to be adding a sitemap to search engines, so Google in this case. I'm going to be showing you how to tag users and to look at Google Analytics as well, which we'll be looking at and going in. I was showing you how to, where you go and find that, where you go and find the Search Console, web tools, that kind of things. We're going to be looking at building and managing your demographics, so actually analyzing data, so you'll have an understanding, a basic understanding that you can build upon. Just like the Quick Start Guide, it gives you a very basic foundation. From this, you can then build out and discover where your market is and where you need to be putting your time into, rather than spread it across all of the social platforms, which you might not want to do, but you can do it. We'll be looking at tools where you can automatically post to lots of different social channels as well, if you want to do that. We've got tips for incentivizing your course sales pages. So for using things like CTAs, call to actions, funnels, doing free videos for people, free PDFs, these kind of things to incentivize people into your site and course to make sales. So best practices for emails and also the schedules, what you should be looking at doing when you're scheduling your emails to go out to your current students and your prospects as well. So this is really important. And then we're going to move on to, you will actually be doing these as assignments. So all through this, there's going to be set assignments that you've got to do in order to move from. And, you're going to be sending these through assignments, so I can look at them. They are private. If you want them, if you want to discuss them openly on the lives, that's fine, but that's your choice. And we're going to be looking at the results as well. So your results that you're getting from this, I want to see actual results coming in. I want to see actual prospects coming into your course, your sales pages. I want to see sales being built up from this as well. It's really important that this is your first building blocks. So we're going to be looking at YouTube, we're going to look at Twitter, we're going to look at Facebook, look at Google, Pinterest, Instagram. We're going to go into detail on all of these. We will also look at running ad campaigns if you want to in Facebook and Google. We'll also be showing you how to use those ad campaign tools in order to analyze data to further your analysis of your niche market. Okay. So if what I've said here is like, oh God, I don't know what you're talking about, don't worry, it's all going to be explained very simply. Okay, so we're going to run this. I'm not sure how long it's going to run for. It's going to run for however long it's going to run for. Okay, so that's going to be really good. I'm not rushing any of these things. If you've done my courses before, you'll know I do lots of Q&As, things like that. So it's all very cool. So to be able to come into this course and actually take part live, you want to send us your video testimonial. So you need to go to tutorials.zenler.com. I'm going to jump in there now and show you exactly where you go. So here we are in tutorials.zenler.com. So you just need to scroll down the bottom here. You need to click enroll to all of these. So you need to join the NZ Masterclass bundle here. Okay. Once you're in here, you're going to then have this option. So when you actually go in to, and it's free as well, everything's free. you join the masterclass bundle. So you hit the join the masterclass bundle. You're going to then go through to the page. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, so we're in the NZ Masterclass bundle. So you need to scroll right the way down and you need to go to this video testimonial. It's not a course, it's just for you to submit your video to us. Click here. You're going to then go through to our page. Here we go. And you're going to see inside here, really simple, it's just got post your video testimonial. So you write your name in here. You can write a testimonial in here as well if you like, but we need the videos. So you need to go to upload your assignment, click in here, submit assignment, we'll receive that, we'll approve it, and then you are in the course. All right, so some people have had problems uploading their files, maybe due to file size. So if you want to upload it to something like a Google Drive or you want to do a Loom video of it, that's absolutely fine. Just make sure that you put the link in here so that I can pick it up, okay? So for you guys, preferably, if you can upload your videos in there, it would be better. All right, so that is it. Once you've done that, you're in the course. Now, you might ask, when are we running this course? We're running this course. We've got about 14 people at the moment have actually entered their testimonial. When we reach 30, we're locking it out. So we're at 30. There's going to be 30 people on this course. That is it for this time being. Okay, we might rerun this later with video testimonial again. But as soon as we've reached that magic 30 number, I am removing the video testimonial from the NZ Masterclass bundle. So you'll no longer be able to submit a video testimonial at that point. No one at that point will get further access to come into the marketing workshop. It will be closed off. That'll be my group of people that I'm going to take through. However long that takes, I'm going to take them through. I'm going to view the report, review the progress. It's private. Okay, so it's not going to be put into any of the live workshops. This is not going to be on anywhere else. It's purely going to be on here. Now you might be like, well, I really want to get on this. Just send us a video testimonial, you know. You guys that are just using the platform, just tell us what you think. It doesn't have to be all rosy. You know, you could, obviously, if you're slating the platform and saying it's really, really bad, then you're probably not going to join it anyway. So we wouldn't really use that video. So it's not really going to be of any help to us. But if you find anything good, either support, either the new features that are coming out, the platform's page builder, be able to use funnels, be able to send emails, use automations, drip, tiers, pricing plans, all of the stuff that we've got available inside the Zenler platform, then that's something to talk about and to tell us about what you like about it. So it also gives us a really nice way to get contact with you. These videos will be made public, so if you want them to be private, then obviously you can't enter this. They are public. We're going to be putting them onto our YouTube channel before launch to let other people know what actual users are liking about the system. Okay, so they're going to be on there. We're going to be showcasing you guys. So make them look good. Okay, so that you know you're giving the impression to people about you, because you know people might Google you and they might find what you're doing and then they might actually buy. So make sure that all of your videos are as professional as possible. You time wise, you know, you could do from sort of 20 seconds to 2 minutes if you like. Try not to exceed too long, because it's and try not to market yourself too much. You can say what you do, but you should be talking about the platform. That's what you're selling here. This is what we're selling. We're not selling your particular niche or whatever. So understand that and you'll be fine and you can get in there. Like I said, I've got about 14 people already, so we're nearly at the halfway stage, so not a lot of time left. So that's why I'm putting this kind of news flash out for you. You have a chance to do it now. If it's too late and then you're asking, can I get on it, can I get on it? No, don't ask. It's closed. Bang. So just like Kevin's workshops that he runs, when he closes them, they're closed and no one else gets on until it's rerun. Okay, so this is a very special one for you guys. I know that you know, it's a really important thing, being able to sell your your site or your courses and get the word out there about it. So this is one you do not want to miss. All right, so send your video testimonials and I will see you on the course.